Trillions of dollars will be invested in constructing and maintaining infrastructure in the next decade. The defining factor that will drive efficiency in this huge undertaking is the use of digital workflows, powered by machine learning, advanced analytics, and drones. Drone Harmony is at the forefront of this digital transformation. The Drone Harmony Cloud automates and streamlines the drone-based creation of digital twins, copies of real-world infrastructure that are the basis of every digital workflow. Built on technology capable of understanding and visualizing 3D infrastructure, Drone Harmony automates every aspect of the digitalization workflow. It automatically plans and executes drone flights for thousands of assets and hosts a collaborative environment to manage drone operations and collected drone data. When it comes to digitizing infrastructure using drones, more automation means fewer things left to chance and human error, and an overall scalable and robust digital workflow. Drone Harmony works with off-the-shelf drones. It integrates with enterprise workflows and provides easy access to state-of-the-art analytics and reporting tools. Finally, as a Swiss company, we understand that the safety of your data is essential and even deploy our system on your premises. Can your business profit from scalable and reliable digitalization using drones? Contact us and let's get started.